Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, St. Rose, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving is regarded as the toughest move because you have to move more than 100 miles to a new place. Finding a new apartment and completing the documentation is a lot of work, and on top of that, you also need to ensure safe transportation of all the goods including kitchen, furniture, essentials, and vehicles. With 3 Movers, you can choose a full-service option wherein our team will do everything from scratch. We do everything from dusting to packing, loading, unloading, and setting up the new apartment. In addition, you can choose an auto transportation service and we'll load your vehicle into the truck. We can also help you save money, fuel, long travel hours, and against regular wear and tear. Furthermore, everything is mentioned in the bill of lading, which both parties must sign for starting the contract. So wait no more and plan your long-distance journey with 3 Movers. If you have to move locally within 80 miles of a distance, you can hire 3 Movers. If you plan a DIY move, you might waste days and weeks. Why should you fill your weekends in packing and unpacking when you can hire our services? 3 Movers offers damage protection even in local moving. So if any of your furniture is damaged or other materials are during the transit, we'll cover it under the damage insurance. We are skilled in local, international, and other types of moving. You may also pick 1-hour moving and same-day moving services if the distance is less. In addition, if you want, we can help you move only. You can pack the material and we'll load it and transport it safely to the new apartment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Rose moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.